Bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Washington and Westmoreland, and Jefferson, Ohio, and the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke and Hancock. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Jefferson County in east central Ohio, southern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, northwestern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Shanner Northview to Cranberry to near Wintersville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Cranberry, Moon Township, Whitton, Butler, Franklin Park, Aliquippa, Vandergrift, Katanning, Shaler Township, Plum, Northside Pittsburgh, Baldwin, Upper St. Clair, and Hampton Township. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 23 and 53. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 50 and 92. Parkway North between mile markers 1 and 13. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 42 and 79. Weekend. Weather Bulletin.